Love to hear those good outcomes, especially when so many folks around here are dealing with so much of that flooding around. How you doing, Kendall?
I'm good. You know, unfortunately, we do have a little bit more rain in the forecast as we go throughout the rest of the evening. Good news is vast majority of these heavy downpours are expected to be relatively brief, and most of it should fall south of I-70 as the system continues to progress off to the southeast. Brand new severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Bartholomew, Decatur, Jennings, and Johnson County, set to expire by the time we hit 6:45 due to the potential for this line of storms to create some isolated strong wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. And because of how saturated our ground is from the repeated rounds of rain that we have seen over the past few days, it is likely that we could see some damage even with winds that are below that severe thunderstorm criteria. Notice on Live Guardian radar we do have a couple of very light sprinkles developing off to the north and west of Indianapolis as well. Rainfall totals for the day thus far updated at the top of the hour. We were at 3/500ths of an inch over in Terre Haute, just shy of half an inch currently over towards Muncie. That puts our rainfall total for the month of August thus far at 9.39 inches in Muncie. We're at 5.16 inches of rainfall here in Indianapolis. That's already almost 2 inches above the amount of rain that we typically pick up in the entire month. And as I mentioned, there is more in the way of rainfall that is anticipated this evening, a little bit of a break, and then a few more rounds of rain that we have to get through as we go throughout the upcoming work week. Severe thunderstorm watch still in effect for counties highlighted in yellow, set to expire by the time we hit 9 o'clock. I do think that some of these, however, will be canceled early, especially since we've already seen the National Weather Service dropping a few of our westernmost counties from this watch that was issued a little bit closer to the 5 o'clock hour. A look at our current temperatures: 74 degrees, rain cooled right now over in Terre Haute, 75 our current temperature in Shelbyville. Most other locations sitting in the mid to low 80s. Of course, it is feeling a touch warmer because dew point temperatures have been borderline miserable all day long. They're currently hovering in the 70s across the area. The good news is that the activity that I have in the forecast this evening is generating ahead of a very strong cold front that's actually going to change our wind direction, and it's not only going to bring about some of that drier weather as we move into our Monday, but improving conditions when it comes down to the humidity and also when it comes down to the temperatures across the area as well. Rainfall coverage will begin to decrease once we get past sunset. A few isolated sprinkles still going to be possible overnight, maybe a brief heavy downpour or an isolated gusty thunderstorm as well. A stray shower possible early Monday morning. Otherwise, we'll spend most of the day under dry conditions. A couple of patches of fog will be possible in the morning. After it lifts, we have mostly sunny skies that we are expecting. Monday afternoon, area of high pressure will begin to move in. That's going to stay in place as we move into our Tuesday as well. That's going to give us a nice break from all of this rainfall and actually allow a lot of our rivers to fall down below flood stage by either Wednesday or as we move into Tuesday of the work week as well. But as I mentioned, we're not completely out of the clear. There is going to be another system developing as we move into our Wednesday afternoon and evening. Renewed chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. A few of those expected to linger as we move into our Thursday as well. Overnight tonight, still going to be warm and humid, 72 degrees for our overnight low. A lot more pleasant tomorrow. Still a stray shower going to be possible, but winds out of the north actually going to bring temperatures down below average. We'll top out near 82 degrees, and actually most of our high temperatures as we go throughout the 7-day forecast are either in the upper 70s or low 80s. Notice Wednesday and Thursday, another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Another stray storm going to be possible as we move into our Saturday afternoon. Otherwise, thankfully, we have a lot of dry time in the forecast.